Good evening, one and all present here. A very nice evening to all of you. This is me, Aditya from Shahjahanpur, and today I am here to discuss about school life. So you know very well, school life is a most important life in everyone's life because whenever we child, we go school to learn something, learn manners, and school learn many things by which we can make our life is bright. School life is a just not life. It is the we can say the temple of knowledge where we can knowledge and we can many things learn by school. Whenever I was child, my father my father dropped me in the school and I was cry. So it is the most memorable moments in our my life because school life never forgettable life. So we should always go to school and get memories, make create many type of memories because they are just moments which will never come again and again. So enjoy their school life. School life is not just life; it is the part of our life. It is the learn us how to live with yourself, how to compare with some people in their minds. So it is the best thing where we can get many thoughts, many thoughts, many knowledge by which we can improve your life. And school life is a very good life. After school life we can go going on college life. That is most important life of everyone because we learn many skill in college life and we learn how to give our introduction, how to grow your personality and how to achieve something. Actually it is the most important life in everyone's life. College life we can achieve it after 12th. We can achieve college life we can just graduation and post graduation. There are many type of degrees, MBA, VCA and many other. So it is the master degrees. After college life, post graduation we can whenever we go after achieve this degree, but it is just a degree. It is most important to all of you. If you go school just to enhance our scores, so you are just a student. If you go school just to gain knowledge and gain many things, so you are just a student by which you are must important in their life. Your life is so important. So always go school, so we gain knowledge and gain many thoughts and get many things by which school. There are school we can see in the school a good environment, friendly environment in their classmate, and some teachers are good, like they behavior like friendly type of friendly. They understand a child just a friend type, or it is just very good things in the behavior in the teacher. So school we should go school daily because it will never come again. So we must important school life. After school life, whenever we go anywhere the foreign city, we can see wow, it is the most important university college. Why is this important? Because it is make for knowledge and it is the provide us a good personality grooming course. And I also part of Genius Institute where we can get a skill of English and a skill of personality grooming, skill of fluent English, learn many other type of where we learn a process of interview, how to do interview in a right way. Whenever we go interview we are preparation of their life, but never do preparation in just we can say just a simple way. Just try to do different and advanced. After that you get selected, it is the right thing. So if I have committed any mistake, so I would like to say sorry. Thanks, have a nice evening. You have been great audience for today.